Off with the old and with the new. Hit the B-roll.
Diamond chain, diamond ring, I got the matching onyx.
Cause we young, we just young and fly. Out here getting faded, just living our lives. Sipping on Patron, come and take this ride. Come roll up the zone, let me take you high. Sometimes I do this take you high. Sometimes I do this for the guy. But right now I do this for the one. Right now I do this for the one.
Yeah.
What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. I know it's been a couple of days since I uploaded, and to be honest, the reason is the stuff that's been coming out's been not for me. Some of the stuff that's been coming out just hasn't been for me. But if you watch the channel, y'all know I'm a big fan of Parra, socks, hats, shorts. I got so many. I was looking forward for these. I know I still didn't unds the pairs that came out 2-3 years ago, 2018, 17. I can't remember, but I didn't get to unds them. But I promise y'all, I'm going to Miami in a couple of weeks, and I was going to unds these. But I forgot these bad boys were coming out, man. So we're going to get into an in-depth review on the latest SB Dunk Parra. Real quick, for the streetwear police, I see y'all in the comments talking about I don't talk about the Supreme, Kith, Palace joints that I've been copping. So real quick, my latest Kith cop. We all know the Olympics is out, right? Y'all know that the Olympics. You gotta know that, right? It's on every channel, Twitter, everywhere. So Kith did a collab with the USA for Olympics, and yeah, I copped the shorts, man. I felt like this one was a little pricey, man. The shorts and the shirts was $150, so you're looking at like $300 for an outfit, but I really like the shorts, man, so I went ahead and copped the USA Kith shorts. Now, speaking of Olympics, this is why Parra and Nike actually did this collab. Before the sneaker actually dropped, Parra gave us the France, the USA, the Japan, and the Brazil clothing for the Olympics. I didn't like none of the clothing, and I actually tried to even hit on Sneakers app on the socks and struck out on socks. Speaking of Sneakers app and how they working, that's my next video, so stay tuned. I recorded the video about a week ago. I just didn't get a chance to edit. But stay tuned for that sneakers, how to cop on sneakers and the bots and all that stuff. But back to this, yeah, so Parra and Olympics did the collab for Nike, and this is how these sneakers came about. And I feel like I'm talking too much, so hit the music.
Unboxing time.
So y'all know what it means when you get this lifesaver, rainbow, colorful box. It means it's a quick strike. It means this is a sneaker that you ain't gonna see again, and you're gonna have to run a StockX, go round two, you know, whatever your reseller store is to cop once you take that L on Sneakers app. I know it hurts, man, but it is what it is, man. So yeah, you got your quick strike box, and this box been around for 2 years now, maybe. So I'm not getting tired of it yet. But sooner or later, with the amount of SB Dunks that's coming out, they're gonna have to switch it. So it reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro QS Quick Strike. The color is Fireberry Black, and of course it's a 10.5. That means it's for me. Flip open the lid and you got your quick strike tissue paper. I think we've seen that a bunch of times. And let's start with the right shoe. Boom. Now me just being biased and me being a fan of Parra, I could tell you when these ones here drop, I was thinking they should have looked like these. I mean, this is Parra at its best with the painting look, the paint, the blue, the oranges, the zigzag lines. It just looks like a, you know, like a Basquiat painting. Like, and this embodies Parra. So when we got that first SB Dunk a couple years ago, it really wasn't Parra, but this is Parra here. Starting with the toe box, you have a white. This is really white. It's not cell white. It's not off-white. This is white. Toe box. I mean, it's a softer touch leather, not hard leather. You have a white Nike swoosh there. And it's not even embedded on top. It's more in the inside of the Parra design. Parra design. Parra. Your black swoosh here, what I like is that the black swoosh actually has tumbleness. Usually we look for the tumbleness in the inside, but the tumbleness is actually on the outside. Get y'all to focus there. Boom. I think what also always bring a dunk together is a gum bottom. That's probably with any sneaker. When you add a gum bottom, I think it always makes the sneaker pop so much. That's why I think I love my Travis Scott dunks. That gum bottom is special. So yeah, I mean, it got the Parra design all the way around. Your Nike logo font there. Black swoosh also on the inside. And it comes in your white thick SB shoestrings. Also with your thick SB tongue. I feel like the tongue should have had the pattern too. Instead of it being in the inside, I feel like it could have been on the outside. If you're a little scared about the white shoestrings, comes attached with that teal blue, this funny blue, green, aqua green. It comes in this colorway too. But I'm not mad at the white shoestrings in this aspect. I think it makes the sneaker come together more. But if you want to stand out, the teal green is here. The tips reads Parra. The right shoe and the left shoe seems to connect. It's nothing different. You know, after doing all them doggone LeBron, Wile E. Coyotes and all that, you know, you got to check to make sure sneakers match nowadays. But these sneakers seem to match. Nothing different. The insoles are beautiful, man. Beautiful insoles. Parra finally gave us what we wanted, I guess. Now, I'm not saying I don't have love for the OGs, the originals. Because if I didn't, they wouldn't be sitting here still. But I'm not a fan of an all-white sneaker, man. Granted, on the originals, the shoestrings are just better. We don't even have to argue that, guys. I mean, comment section below, let me know how y'all feel, but the shoestrings are better in my opinion. Also, the sock liner has more of your Parra look. And me and many others feel like this should have been the sneaker. The candy cane look should have been on the outside instead of the inside. As of the new ones, you just have the tail around the sock liner. As far as the swoosh, I love the Chanel patch swoosh. I mean, everyone loves the tumbleness, but I love the Chanel patch swoosh. Let me know in that comment section below what swoosh I like better, because now looking, I'm kind of like, I don't know, man. Yeah, but if I had to pick one, I would have to go with the new ones. And it's crazy because the new ones are going for about as much as the OGs are going for. I looked on StockX and Goat. The OGs are going for roughly $350 to $400 price range, as these Parras been going to $400 to $475 since like a couple of days before they release. I haven't checked in about a week, but I think it still should be going for that amount. It shouldn't have dropped that low. So yeah, man, this is the review on Parra SB Dunks, the latest ones and the OG ones. In that comment section below, let me know which one y'all like best. Let me know if you was able to cop. I know, man, they only dropped on sneakers and skate shops. It might only be 4 of y'all under this comment section telling me y'all cop for retail. But $400. I wouldn't say wait, because it's not like you're gonna get a restock. But $400 looks like the medium right now. If you really, really want them, they are nice in hand. I'll say cop. One thing I don't like, and I like to show y'all everything. The inside here, the material looks to be slacking a little bit. As you can see, it has creasing in there. But I think that is because this is supposed to peel off. It's for the skateboarders, guys. This is supposed to peel off and show you something different. So I figure that's the way, but that's one thing I didn't like about this shoe, man. I like to give y'all all the information, because if you're going to go out there and spend $300-400 on a sneaker, I want you to know that I tried to tell you everything that I know about the sneaker, man. So yeah, man, I'm your boy Cinos. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe. I'm back. As long as they dropping heat and things that I like, I'm back, man. Everybody get rich.
Diamond chain, diamond ring, I got the matching onyx.
Cause we young, we just young and fly. Out here getting faded, just living our lives. Sipping on Patron, come and take this ride. Come roll up the zone, let me take you high. Sometimes I do this take you high. Sometimes I do this for the guy. But right now I do this for the world. Right now I do this for the world.
Yeah.